Hello there. My name is Renee Blair, and there's been a lot of chatter about what to say when you're at the doctor's office. And this is kind of what I've been talking with my doctor about. And it's about my rights as a disabled patient. I believe the first thing and the most important thing in this country is the Constitution and the Bill of Rights and the Declaration of Independence. This country was founded on all of that. And the freedoms that we have as American citizens come first over the DEA, over the CDC, over those sitting in Washington, D.C. So the first thing when all this transpired about the opioids coming down and them taking my rights away from me as a disabled person and a chronic pain patient and a rare disease patient, I went back to what the Declaration of Independence said and the Constitution said about my rights as a citizen of the United States of America. And it says, first of all, that I have equal rights under the law to care just like you, just like anybody who doesn't have a disease like I have. And then second of all, under the Americans with Disabilities Act of 1972 and 1990, that I have even more rights as a disabled person to those equal care and equal under the law to be able to access medication for my disease. And the fact that I'm a disabled person, I am even more protected for that. So I sat my doctor down in a very cordial setting, my appointment, and I told her that I felt like I wasn't getting equal care as a disabled person. And I mentioned the Americans with Disabilities Act, and I mentioned the fact that I was being singled out as a chronic pain patient, that my disabilities were not being addressed, my pain was not being addressed, and above all, that because I was on opioids, I was being targeted. I suggest that if you feel like you are being targeted, that you talk to your doctor first. I don't know if these things apply to you, but if they do, think about your rights as a citizen like I did. I really believe that the American with Disabilities Act, the Constitution, and the Declaration of Independence is being violated, at least in my case. I'm going to be doing videos like this from now on, but this is my introduction. My name is Renee Blair, and I live in Wyoming. I am a chronic pain patient. I am a pharmacist of 24 years. I am still a pharmacist. I cannot practice, but I am an active pharmacist licensed in Wyoming. And there's a lot of things going on that they are violating my rights. They are violating a lot of rights here. So don't give up. Keep going and survive the pain as much as you can, however you can, because this isn't over, people. It's not over. So don't give up. Keep going, and God bless.